Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to position an object forward or backward on Canva easily. So, for example, this photo is positioned in the back and I want it to go forward from this photo. So all I have to do is click on the photo and then look at the editing options below here. You just have to look for position like this and then click on position. Next, to bring this photo forward, you can just click on forward and then you can see the difference. Now the photo is now on top of the other photo like that. So you can see the difference. Like, you can choose forward or backward on an object to make it go forward, say the same as this object like this. So because it's positioned on the back, I want to make it go to the front like this. You can try it out with another objects, see if it's going backward. And if you're wondering, the difference between backward and to back is backward just bring your object a layer backward, but to back is to bring the photo in the last layer. And it goes the same between forward and to front. So that's how you position an object forward and backward in Canva using your phone.